Assalamu alaikum ladies and gentlemen, मैं हूं अहमद मलिक and right now we are at the site of Zameen Aurum. This project is made by our very own Zameen Developments. अगर इसकी लोकेशन की बात की जाए तो it is in the heart of Lahore, which is Gulberg 3 और साथ ही साथ CBD एरिया भी बहुत करीब है इसके. So let's begin our tour. इसकी विसिनिटी की बात की जाए तो साथ ही आपको मॉल टाउन एंट्रेंस मिलती है. You have कलमा चौक, मेन बुलेवार्ड and center point within 1 minute drive. MM आलम और लिबर्टी मार्केट भी 5 minute drive पे हैं और कदाफी स्टेडियम आपको 6 minute drive पे मिलता है. So as soon as you enter into the apartment, you have this beautiful, strong door for you guys, ताकि security का पूरा measure ले सकें. आपका total area बनता है 1216 square feet and as soon as you enter, आपके बिल्कुल right side पे आपको आपका laundry room मिलता है. As you move further in, आपकी right side के ऊपर आपको study room मिलता है. You can also use it as a storage area. Entrance के बिल्कुल front पे आपको एक अच्छा area मिलता है जहाँ पे आपके decors and obviously you have this beautiful mirror. यहाँ पे आते ही you can see your smiling face. With that, you have your huge sitting area, lounge area है आपका. You have your dining room and with an attached kitchen. So the kitchen area is very elaborate और यहाँ पे आपको nice size refrigerator की भी space मिलती है. You can see how big that is. Again, you have ample amount of space. ऊपर की side के ऊपर यहाँ पे आप अपनी silverware store कर सकते हैं. Utility की चीज़ों के लिए भी आपको नीचे space दी गई है. And you have the stove as well. साथ ही साथ ample amount of counter space और साथ ही साथ you have this hood as well. So ये kitchen area definitely equipped है with all sort of features, but जो मुझे favorite लग रही हैं वो this is the bar style counter जहाँ पे आप अपने बच्चों को breakfast दे सकते हैं. Right next to me is the dining area. Again, nice, beautiful lines. बहुत अच्छा आपको background मिलता है and this luxurious looking lounge for you guys to come, sit down and relax. So on my right you have your secondary bedroom, but the main highlight of this apartment is definitely going to be your master bedroom. Beautiful area. यहाँ पे आप enter होते हैं तो you can feel how luxurious this bedroom is. Zameen Aurum के अंदर this 2-bedroom apartment provides you with a very luxurious living space, especially looking at this bedroom, master bedroom. The full length windows giving you this amazing light, natural light अंदर आ रही है. You have these amazing lines और साथ ही साथ आपके decor के लिए area, your bed itself, then you have your media wall on this side और साथ ही साथ जिस तरह आप यहाँ पर जाते हैं तो आपको आपका vanity area भी मिलता है. This washroom is again very luxurious. यहाँ पे imported sanitary ware use की गए हैं and definitely आपका यहाँ पे side पे on-suite shower भी है. If you look at it, nice size area again. So this is the second bedroom of this apartment. Very nice area again, nothing less than the master bedroom. Natural light इसके अंदर बहुत अच्छी तरीके से आ रही है. Good use of windows. So this room specifically has a really nice feature. यहाँ पे आपको balcony मिलती है, which is a good area. Maybe you can use it for your barbecues. So the second bedroom also comes with a washroom. Attached washroom के अंदर आपको on-suite shower मिलता है. Again, imported sanitary ware. Very nice size and nothing less than the main one. So this was Zameen Aurum 2-bedroom apartment. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.